Hello and welcome to Smart ESL Path. In this video, we will learn colors in English. Let's begin. It is yellow. Can you say it with me? Yellow. This is green. Let's say it together. Green. This is red. Say it with me. Red. This is orange. Say orange. This is blue. Let's say it blue. This is pink. Say pink. This is purple. Let's say it, purple. This is brown. Say it with me, brown. This is black. Say it with me, black. This is gray. Let's say it together, gray. Well done! You have now learned the colors. Now it's time to play a game. Let's play and test your memory. What's this word? Yes, it's orange. How about this word? Yes, it's yellow. The next one. Yes, it is green. Can you guess this one? Yes, it is purple. How about this word? Yes, it is brown. Let's see if you get this one. Correct, it is black. How about this one? Good job, it is pink. What is this word? Yes, it is blue. Can you guess this word? Yes, it is gray. Okay, the last word. Correct, it is red. Good job. We now go to level 2. Think carefully. Yes, it is yellow. Okay, can you guess this word? Yes, it is purple. Next one. Yes, it is orange. All right, the next one now. Yes, it is brown. Okay, next one. It is black. Next one. Yes, it is pink. How about this one? Yes, it is green. What is this word? Yes, it is blue. How about this one? Correct, this is gray. The final word. Yes, it is red. Good job. Now let's play the final round. What color is it? Yellow. What color is it? Pink. What color is it? Red. What color is it? Blue. What color is it? Green. What color is it? Brown. What color is it? Orange. What color is it? Gray. What color is it? Black. Congratulations! You have completed this lesson. Now you can say 10 colors in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun lessons. See you next time on Smart ESL Path.